vegetable, or flower?
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. What I'm going to be doing today is painting a pot. I'm going to be starting my gardening journey. I got this pot at Walmart. We took plastic and made it into a pot. A planter. Does anybody else like, it's kind of scary taking off the tape or the little sticky thing they have because you don't want to leave any marks. Perfect. I was originally going to do a marble look. This is plastic. And I don't think it'll hold well, so I'd rather save that idea for another time. I have this metallic pale blue, and I figured since it's a darker blue, it'll look really pretty on top of it. Actually, no wait, that is just pale blue. It's called Blue Ice Pearl. I don't know if I should wash this, but I'm just gonna go with it. Y'all. That is so satisfying. I love it. So I have been in the process lately making a blog. It is a lot of work, but I find like it's very rewarding. I recently discovered something about myself. I kind of knew it when I was little. I used to write a bunch of novels and stuff and be really into writing. And then I kind of got off of it, kind of got off of that bandwagon because when you grow up, you kind of forget about all your creative side that you once had. Well, that's just another one of my creative outlets that I'm going to be pursuing. So I'm like really excited about it. It's going to be launching July 6th, so I'll probably make another YouTube video about my launch and my experience with creating the blog. So yeah, that's what's been going on. This is so neat. The reason why I think it's showing up this well is because the pot was already blue. So if you have a pot that's a darker color, I don't know if it would show up as well, but maybe if you paint it white and then go on with this metallic color, then it will turn out really good. That's the reason why I've been kind of MIA lately on YouTube, is because of starting the blog. I feel like when you're pursuing a new goal, it becomes a lot harder to kind of focus on your other goals. So I kind of had to take a break from YouTube so that I can put all my time and energy into the blog. Alright, so I painted around. I did about 2 coats of white, and now I think I'm going to let it dry. It's so hot outside, but it's fine. I think the next step is to let it dry, and then I'm going to do some gold designs around the side of the white. It's going to be good. Now that I allowed the white to dry a little bit, I'm gonna go in with the gold, and I'm just doing little triangles and circles in between with the gold, and then outlining them again to make sure that it stands out. I chose a brush that's kind of angled, so it's a little bit easier to make the triangle lines, to make them as similar as possible. You know, just try your best. It'll still look good, okay girl? Hold up, because y'all can't see what I'm doing right now, so I'm gonna move the... I just painted on myself. I'm gonna move the camera and put it around so that y'all can see what I'm doing. So here I'm starting to make them longer. So I'm literally just going over my outline of the small one and just dropping it down like that and then painting it in. So I completely got rid of the triangle idea. Painted it all gold, making it texturized. Literally just pressing the paper towel onto it. I have to kind of let it dry a little bit before going in with the texturized thing. Now I can kind of see the triangles. It's just such a predicament. when you changed it the first time, if you shouldn't have, that is my whole story. You know what? Just go with your gut and either redo, stick with what you have, or come up with a second plan. That's what I'm trying to do. I'll make it work. So I figured out what I'm gonna do. I did this painting. I think I'm gonna do this look, but all white on here, so that the gold will be the background and you can't see the triangles. It'll end up just blending in. Yeah, that's what I'll do. It's gonna take forever. This might be a project. I'll see what I do.
Now I just gotta get flour in it so it can grow. There's nothing in it yet.
This is the finished product. I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the sun so I can see the reflection of it. If you're gonna leave your plant indoors, then you don't need to do this last step. If you plan on letting your flowers grow outdoors, then you're gonna need to get something like this. This is Color Max Clear. It's an indoor-outdoor gloss crystal clear spray. So what it does is it just protects what you've just painted so that if it rains, then your pot will not wear and tear. Well, this is awkward. Okay, so give it a good shake. Make sure you spray it outwards where the wind is not gonna brush you on the face. It's fine. So since I'm a beginner, I just kind of went with it. I would wear a mask so you can breathe. I'm searching for fresh air, but it's really hard to find right now. This was part 1 of my gardening journey series. So part 1 was just the painting the pot. I haven't actually planted anything yet, but part 2 is going to be beginner's tips for gardening. I'm going to do my research and learn more about gardening skills, and I will include updates on my flower growth. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!